Many people will be out celebrating the 4th of July outdoors, and many will be celebrating with fireworks. As things continue heating up outside, there are some important safety tips that people who are getting fireworks should keep in mind. LEX 18's Rachel Richardson is speaking with fire leaders around central Kentucky about what they should be looking for.
People are coming to Capitol Fireworks in Georgetown for their 4th of July supplies. They have everything from sparklers, Roman candles, and more. But with every sale comes a warning about safety.
We do want to educate them on the products that they're getting because we want them to be safe, and we also want them to enjoy the product.
Things have been heating up around central Kentucky, causing a drought in some areas. The Lexington Fire Department is closely watching the situation. There's a saying about fireworks.
In Fayette County, if it goes up or blows up, it's considered illegal.
The only approved fireworks in Fayette County are Safe and Sane fireworks.
Snakes, fountains, sparklers, essentially anything that doesn't leave the ground or doesn't explode.
The U.S. drought monitors show that the Georgetown area has been dry. Georgetown Fire Chief Tim Thompson says people using fireworks should stay extra safe this weekend.
We want people to be able to enjoy time with their family. The biggest thing is just make sure that you're prepared.
This weekend, remember the following.
If you're setting off fireworks, make sure you're doing it maybe on gravel or on the road. Make sure that you're doing it in more of an open area that you can, away from homes. But as far as the grass and those types of things, just make sure that you have, even if you have your water hose handy, just in case something does start up that you can knock down quickly.
And the final tip is know what you're doing.
When you buy something, make sure that you know how to use the product, ask questions so that when you get it home, that you enjoy your 4th of July.
Hoping everyone has a fire-safe 4th. In Georgetown, Rachel Richardson, LEX 18 News.